Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I made a purchase online, and quickly let's open this and check what's inside this. So these are nothing but grow bags. So this was my long-standing wish to start growing vegetables, like have my own kitchen garden. But because of space constraint, I couldn't do this for a very long time. So I decided that it's never too late, and like my brother says, no time for caution. So this is the right time. I think I should start this because it's my wish since a very long time to start growing vegetables, having a kitchen garden. So I wanted to buy earthen pots, because I don't like to grow it in some small pots. So my brother told me that when you're checking online, that check for some grow bags, and I did not know that such things exist online, that you can have these grow bags and grow your plants in it. So I got these. They are 5 in number, a set of 5, and they are 12 by 12 inches. So let's open it and check. So this is my first step, my start. My first step to starting my kitchen garden. And soon I'll be making a lot of videos and showing you all step by step with what I start with. And the first thing that I want to start with is growing curry leaves, because I use them in all my recipes and seasoning. So I'll start off growing with some herbs like curry leaves and coriander. I'm going to grow chilies, tomatoes, and slowly then vegetables. I don't know ABCD of gardening and how to grow vegetables and nothing, but this is just my first step, my start. So let me open the other ones also. So my brother is going to keep 2 of these for himself, and let's see what he does with it. And 3 I'm going to keep. So in the first one I'm going to grow curry leaves, and then coriander, chilies and tomato. So these are 5. So I'm going to open the other rest. So let's see how it goes. This is my start, and quite excited about this step that I've taken of growing my own vegetables. At least to begin with, let me start with the herbs. So I'll see you all in my upcoming videos of growing plants in this and vegetables. So I'll provide the link to this product down below in the description box of this video, so you can check the description, the details of this product. So
show the drainage holes.
There are 4 holes here. You can see the small holes here. So over here also there are 2, and then 2 this side, so 4 holes, and quite thick. The material is quite thick. Okay, bye bye. I'll see you all in my next vlog. Bye bye.
Bring the drainage holes close by, I'll show. Show the bottom base, how it is.
Material seems to be quite good. Thick it is. But let's see, this is the first time I'm using it, so I really don't know how does it work. the first time, no, to use it. I'll tell you all my reviews of it.